New at noon, all 9 of the recaptured inmates who escaped from the Orleans Parish Justice Center have all pleaded not guilty as it relates to their brazen breakout back in May. They're all being held right now without bond, and with only one of them still on the run, and that is convicted killer Derek Groves. WDSU's Brittany Verner is live for us outside of criminal court with the latest from that arraignment hearing. Brittany.
Yeah, Randy, well, all 9 of those inmates appeared before a judge this morning, and they did so via Zoom as they are all still being held at Angola and have yet to be extradited. Now, as you mentioned, attorneys for all 9 of those recaptured inmates pled not guilty on behalf of their clients. They're all facing 1 count of simple aggravated escape. And according to policy at Angola, they could only arraign 1 inmate at a time via Zoom. So one by one, they all stepped up. There was even an attorney present representing Derek Groves, who's still at large, and his attorney told Judge Roche he had not had any contact with his clients. Now, Attorney General Liz Muriel sent out a statement following today's hearing, part of which read, quote, "Everyone is entitled to due process, but there's a video of these detainees running out of the jail in the middle of the night. They were not heading to court hearings," unquote. And right now we have an attorney representing Antoine Massey live here with us, Attorney Bobby Hoitzberg, who again is representing Massey. And so, question for you, obviously, why did your client decide to plead not guilty?
Well, he pled not guilty because he is not guilty. There's a lot more to this case than what is currently out there, okay? To say that it is multifaceted would be an understatement. In this case, like in every case, the state of Louisiana has to prove each element of the crime charge beyond a reasonable doubt, and I don't think they're going to meet that burden. I'm confident that when this thing's all said and done, Mr. Massey is going to go free.
And so another question for you, does it make it harder for you to have a leg to stand on when we see him in the video escaping with those other individuals who left Orleans Parish Jail?
Look, I'm a criminal defense attorney. My job's always difficult. In this case, is no different. But like I said, when everything comes out, when everything is brought out about how this thing actually went down, I think everybody will be singing a different tune.
All right, well, thank you so much. The discovery hearing has actually been set for September 3rd. That's when the state has to have all of their information turned over to those attorneys who are representing those inmates. And after that, motion hearings will begin. Reporting live outside of criminal court, Brittany Verner, WDSU News.